Okay, this is how you remove the wheel assembly. You push here and down simultaneously. That's one. That's another. And now this is ready to come off. Installation is a very tight fit. We make this very tight on purpose so that they don't come out unintentionally. I find that the easiest way is to push down very hard with 2 thumbs. It will go in and it will not break. This, by the way, is one of our replacement wheels. This is the original. Reinstallation is even easier than removing. I would look at another one for reference. These tabs go underneath this wire. These go here, and then you just push up and it clicks into place. It's easiest only to remove one at a time, so you always have one reference to look at.